What's up everyone, Filmoments here. In this video, I will show you how to hide apps on your iPhone. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. So with the latest iOS update, it's now easier than ever to hide apps and lock them on your iPhone as well. So let's go ahead and pick an app that I want to hide. So for example, this TikTok app. Now, simply long press and hold. And then you're going to select require password or require Face ID or Touch ID. Now let's tap on it. Once you tap on it, you're going to see a menu that pops up that says hide or require Face ID. Then we have to select that option. Now it will require your Face ID or passcode. And just like that, the app is now hidden. It is now completely removed from your home screen and also from the app drawer. And now you might be wondering, where did the app go? Now to access that app again, we will go to the special folder on your app drawer. So what are we looking for is this blank folder right here. Now when you press on it, it will require your Face ID. And as you can see in here, I can see my hidden apps. So that's it for this tutorial. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching. Until next time, peace out.